Hello, today I would like to present you this absolutely beautiful vintage computer keyboard that's got absolutely unique feature. In the 90s there was a boom for something that was called an ergonomic keyboard. People were afraid that they are going to get problems with their fingers. Computers were new, they were coming into offices and everyone was purchasing them, so they were scaring people that you will have a lot of problems, your fingers will look like this from typing every day. So Microsoft released something that was called like a ergonomic keyboard, and as you can see here we've got some sort of like a good palm rest. Everything is aligned in a way that is going to be more pleasant to work with. But of course the Microsoft keyboard was just a regular keyboard, and this device is amazing, and I'm going to show you in a second why. So just take a look, we are doing magic trick, and that's because that keyboard is cut in half by design. So you can go like this, and now you can sit like a boss. You can have your spine straight, you can have your arms absolutely wide, and you are going to remove any back pain that you could possibly get. And just take a look how the space is cut in half, and it's working absolutely great. You can use it for typing, you can use it for programming. You've got a full-size numpad, basically all keys that you would require for your everyday work, you've got it here. And if you are looking to make the footprint smaller, you can join it, and then you've got your basically a regular keyboard. So this is the most amazing definition of making like a ergonomic design. If you are looking for ergonomic keyboard, then this style is the absolutely most amazing piece. It really gives relax to your shoulders, and you can accommodate to basically any person. You can, if your shoulders are less wide, then you can go like this, or you can separate it like this, or like that. You are sitting straight, your shoulders are not cramped to get that tight fit, and it is just great. But what all those great features would give us if we cannot use it on modern computer, and it's using a full-size DIN plug. So we have to grab adapter that will convert a full-size DIN to mini DIN, that is called a PS2, and from PS2 we go to the USB human interface device. Then we can grab device like this with a regular USB port. We can just plug it in. We are plugged into modern computer system via USB and that adapter. And question is, can we type something? Let me try it out. And looks like we are good to go. It's working absolutely great. The caps look, yes, of course, it's working. And yeah, we've got everything up and running. This is absolutely beautiful setup. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.